driving in my carnivorous habit. Made it nearly 70 days, losing weight without speeding sunflower seeds, drinking lots of carrot juice, soaking up rays. At night I have these wonderful dreams, some kind of sensuous treat, not zucchini, fettuccine, no but a wheat, but a big warm bun and a huge hunk of meat. Cheeseburger in paradise, medium rare with mustard, tastes nice. Not too particular, not too precise, I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise. I heard about the old time sailor men, they eat the same thing again and again. Corn, beer, and bread, they say could raise the dead. It reminds me of a menu at a Holiday Inn. The times change, sailors these days. When I'm in port, I get what I need. Bananas, oh bananas, and daiquiris, that American creation on which I feed. Cheeseburger in paradise, taking the best of every virtue and vice. Worth every damn bit of sacrifice to get a cheeseburger in paradise. I like mine with lettuce and tomato, Heinz 57 French fried potatoes, big kosher pickle and a cold draft beer. Good God Almighty, which way do I steer for my cheeseburger in paradise? Making the best of every virtue and vice, worth every damn bit of sacrifice to get a cheeseburger in paradise.